have chopped tomato, onion, I have corn kernel, my stir-fried chicken, lettuce, and my wrap. So this wrap, guys, is a resealable pack. So just in case you have some left over, you can just simply close this one and you can use this for the next time. So, and for my sauce, I have the barbecue sauce, the pesto, the creamy pesto mayonnaise, and the tomato ketchup. For the meat marination for my wrap, here are the ingredients. The dark soy sauce, just 1 tablespoon, a pinch of salt, a pinch of seasoning all-purpose, the black pepper, granulated garlic, just 1 teaspoonful, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. So the wrap is ready. I already heated up. So we're going to put the chicken. Chicken first. Lettuce. A little bit of tomato. Onion. Corn. Next, our sauce, the barbecue sauce, the tomato sauce, and our creamy pesto mayonnaise. Now we're gonna wrap our I have a strong foil. Done! Wrap is ready. Now we're going to try our chicken burrito. Yummy! Tastes really good, guys. very healthy, very fresh, and delicious. Yum. Homemade is good. Very nice. So I hope you enjoy my vlog. I hope you enjoy this recipe, the chicken burrito wrap. And you can always try this at any time. Very easy, very simple to make, guys. So guys, this is the wrap that I made. This is perfect for taking it to work or for a snack or anything that you're arranging occasions as well. It's very easy to make, and it's very healthy, something healthy, quick and easy, something different as well, and light. And it's just very convenient, because once you finish, it's just simply throw away the foil and you're all done. You don't have any mess on your bag. So this is perfect for everything, something very light and healthy. So guys, this is the wrap I made. 2 wraps I prepared for myself, and it's getting ready to take it to work tomorrow. So it's very easy, very convenient, guys. Simple process to make, and you already have the wrap. Very healthy and something different.